In Los Angeles, there's growing dismay tonight over what the city is doing to make way for the arrival of the retired Space Shuttle Endeavour. They are cutting down 400 trees, many of them mature, beautiful trees in a city that needs them. Our report tonight from NBC's Mike Taibbi.
They're cutting down some 400 trees, including many mature pines and magnolias reduced to stumps, so the 5-story high, 78-foot-wide Endeavour can move down the streets. Some along the South LA route are not amused.
Sitting at a stoplight, that little bit of shade, and now it's gone. It is a concrete jungle. It's more like New York than it is Los Angeles.
That's stupid. That's stupid. Replant them. Why cut them down?
The California Science Center says once the Endeavour is in place, they'll plant twice as many trees as will have been cut down, but that removing the trees on the route finally selected was the only option. Dismantling Endeavour or airlifting it were both deemed impossible. So, goodbye trees.
The 12-mile trip from LAX to the Science Center next month was supposed to be a 2-day parade along this route with an overnight slumber party included. And while that might still be true, it's not all that's true.
Because to get it to its resting place on the streets broad enough to accommodate it, power lines will be raised, some street lights will be removed, and, as is now happening, hundreds of trees will bite the dust.
Not only do we get to participate in history, but we get our trees replaced 2 for 1, so we're very happy here in the city of Inglewood.
There are plenty of Angelinos who do think it's worth it.
I'm really excited to see the Endeavour. It's a once-in-a-lifetime chance, and I'm glad to see it happen.
But this is California, where anything involving trees is big news. From the plight of the giant redwoods a century ago, to the old tree down by age and weather in North Hollywood this morning,
and liftoff of Space Shuttle Endeavour,
to the revelation that moving this modern national treasure to LA will cost some urban greenery that goes back generations. Mike Taibbi, NBC News, Los Angeles.